HubSpot's cold email policy. What's acceptable and what's not. Plus, alternatives. AnyBiz. Cold emailing can be tricky with HubSpot due to strict policies requiring explicit consent or an existing relationship with recipients. Adhering to these rules is crucial to avoid penalties and boost your outreach effectiveness. HubSpot maintains a strict policy regarding cold emailing to protect its users, maintain high deliverability rates, and ensure compliance with international anti-spam laws. Let's delve deeper into their main rules. 1. Consent-based communication. HubSpot requires that you have explicit permission to email contacts. This means contacts need to explicitly opt in for email communications. Double opt-in is recommended, and implied consent, for example, business cards, isn't enough. 2. No purchased lists. Using purchased or rented email lists is strictly prohibited. Purchased lists often have outdated info, lack consent, harm your reputation, and breach anti-spam laws. 3. Relevant content. Emails must be relevant to the recipient's industry or role. This means content should be tailored to the recipient's interests, not generic, and offer value beyond promotion. 4. Clear unsubscribe option. Every email must include an easy-to-find unsubscribe link. It's crucial because it's legally required, builds trust, and must be easy and prompt to process. 5. Accurate sender information. The from name and email address must be accurate and identify your company. This rule ensures transparency, easy brand recognition, trust, and legal compliance. HubSpot's cold email policy ensures legal compliance, protects sender reputation, and boosts deliverability by requiring consent and relevant content. It fosters trust, promotes ethical practices, and enhances user experience, giving HubSpot a competitive edge in responsible marketing. You can't send cold emails with HubSpot. It requires permission from contacts. However, you can use it for warm outreach to those who have shown interest or consented to be contacted. HubSpot supports warm outreach. Build a contact list with valuable content, use lead scoring to prioritize, segment your list, and create personalized emails. Automate follow-ups and use analytics to improve. Ensure compliance with clear sender info and easy opt-outs. HubSpot doesn't support cold emailing, but specialized tools do. They offer email verification, IP rotation, advanced personalization, and automated follow-ups. They also provide detailed analytics, compliance features, list management, and integration with other platforms. Email warm-up tools like Warmy.io improve deliverability by simulating natural interactions and gradually increasing send volume. They use AI for realistic engagement and provide domain health reports. Use them to avoid spam issues and ensure your emails reach the inbox. Best 5 HubSpot alternatives for cold email. 1. AnyBiz.io. AnyBiz excels in cold emailing with its AI-driven platform for B2B lead generation. It features AI sales agents, multi-channel engagement, and automated email handling, optimizing outreach and improving deliverability. A 7-day free trial is available. 2. Woodpecker. Woodpecker excels in cold emailing with automated follow-ups, personalization features, and CRM integration. If you're curious about other options, check out the next 3 alternatives in our blog. The links are right below the video. HubSpot's strict cold email policy ensures compliance and protects users, but isn't ideal for cold outreach. Alternatives like AnyBiz, Woodpecker, Lemlist, Mailshake, and Reply.io specialize in cold emailing, with AnyBiz leveraging AI for advanced B2B lead generation. We're glad you're here. Visit AnyBiz.io and subscribe for updates on our latest innovations and features.